First complete vehicle conversion of the Ferrari 12 Cilindri worldwide. The MANSORY Equestre is available as both a coupe and a spider. Performance. Extensive modifications to the engine management system and a new 4-pipe sports exhaust system, the MANSORY Equestre achieves a maximum output of 855 horsepower and a maximum torque of 730 Newton meters. Exterior. The MANSORY Equestre boasts a full carbon fiber transformation featuring aggressive front air intakes, sculpted wheel arch extensions, and a bold rear apron with integrated brake light. Its signature Italian tricolor stripe runs centrally across the body, amplifying its exotic and performance-driven presence. Rims. Features newly designed VF5 rims for the first time. The one-piece ultra-light forged rims are installed in sizes 10 by 21 inch front and 12 by 22 inch rear. Interior. The interior refinement corresponds in type and scope to a classic complete conversion from MANSORY. In the launch vehicle shown here, the entire interior was lined with grey Alcantara and contrasted with purple appliques. The headliner, also trimmed in Alcantara, is adorned with various LED lights and an illuminated MANSORY logo in purple. The interior's carbon fiber components are all finished in classic visible carbon.